Is your gas grill looking like mine? If so, you probably procrastinated like me, or you didn't realize or forgot that there are replacement parts out there. I did a search for my model number and found several replacement parts. I believe it's discontinued now, but you can still find parts. The shields were in pretty rough shape, so I'm going to replace those. Replacing the gas burners were much more of a chore than I thought they would be. It's got a lot of nuts behind bolts on various plates and boxes and whatnots to get the burners out, because the burners are held in with nuts and bolts, and you got to get to the nut before the screw will come out. So I skipped that part because mine were actually working pretty good. In the process of doing all this, I decided to clean it also, and I totally forgot there's a removable pan in the bottom that you can pull it out and throw it away. Now I have a nice clean grill and it's looking great.